Okay, this one is the jackfruit.
Freshly picked.
Fresh from the tree. Right, Ray?
Less than 10 minutes ago.
Where is the tree, Ray?
Outside.
In the USA. In the Philippines. How
It's
big
right
is
there in the
this?
side yard.
18 inches, maybe.
No,
One,
that's more than 18.
2, around 18 inches.
That's like 24.
20, yeah.
No,
I
the,
think it is
Or 26 even. That's big.
8, 16. I think it is 22.
22.
I hope there will be more fruit inside.
Okay, so
We will cut.
right. There's knife here. Go on the other side, please.
Cut into half.
So we're cutting it
Into half.
in half. Dun, 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 dun.
Ooh.
It smells good.
Does it smell like your feet? Does it smell like your...
Yeah, so you'll cut it in half.
Oh!
Smells
it's
good.
not- Smells good.
They're not used to the smell.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
That's a
Wow.
big one.
Try some. No, I will get this one. Yeah, that one. Is it good?
It's sour.
Just put it, on your teeth and then you make the
Put
reaction
it in there
already.
and chew. Chew, chew,
Okay.
chew, 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 chew.
Move a little so you don't get hurt with the knife.
I can't.
Yeah, try it.
No?
I can't do it. I can't
Di man
do
siya tamis
it.
tayo?
I cannot
Okay,
do
siya
it.
tamis?
I cannot do it. Ugh.
So yummy.
I cannot do it.
Ready na ba siya? Yummy,
I
yummy.
can't. I can't.
No.
Ano ko ni siya? Kanang lungagon ba?
Ah,
Kanang gulayon.
My aunt.
Dili ni siya
Ano nga,
intended
variety?
for... O kanang nga variety. Na di man mi kamo muluto og ngani.
yun naman.
Unang pahinugon na mo. Wala po. Mag-practice.
Wow, look at that.
I'm showing the aunt.
Fresh jackfruit. From the Philippines tree.
Mas tamis tong ilahang Heidi. Ha, la Heidi. Mas tamis tong ilaha.
Yeah. So you just kind of,
Yeah.
Jesus.
You killed the banana chips.
They're brave. There you go.
Say no more, boo.
Then you remove that one.
Hinog na siya.
Oh, murag kuan gid siya kanang tabang-tabang. Di gid siya. Mas tamis tong ilang Heidi.
I can't get it.
This variety is for cooking.
So that's how you do it, huh?
Di ka mao ni uban mo open ani. Ito sa workplace na mo magdala ag bana ni Pinky.
Oh.
Ako'y tig-open. Hindi sila ka mao. This is how you open the
This is how you open a jackfruit.
jackfruit.
Fresh. And then the seeds, you can actually boil them, right?
Boil them,
Or
yeah.
fry it, and then you can eat it if you open it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's another thing that you can eat.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, the seeds here.
What Ruby? Can you plant them?
What?
You can plant them too, I think.
The seeds? Yeah.
Yeah.
But if you want to plant them, you select the good variety.
Yeah, I think they will grow like
The orange one is sweeter than this one. Because this variety is good for cooking.
So you remove the extra stuff, like the stringy part in there, and you only left behind the main meat. You remove the seeds also inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Well,
you remove the seeds. So these are the trash. That's
that water.
the one that you eat.
The meat.
Learning not to cut my finger.
You don't have jackfruit in America?
Probably it's a store.
Probably it's a store, Filipino store.
Mexican,
Oh.
Mexican.
Mexican store.
Yeah, Mexican store. Because they have mangoes in Mexican store. Maybe they also have jackfruit in there.
Yeah. The majority of the time,
So
you can
you-
only find Mexican
You remove
mangoes,
the
red
seeds.
mangoes and stuff. It's hard to find.
You
the
save it
mangoes.
because you can also
But
cook
find
the
them
But
by
seeds.
it.
here in the Philippines, especially in Bohol, we have very good mangoes here. Very tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one in Panglao is very tasty. We're famous in mango.
The one in Carmen before the tree got cut down.
Yeah.
Let me see.
The passion fruit before the vine got cut.
Huh?
Come on guys.
Honey?
To eat passion fruit also. That's delicious.
Tigama man naman ni
That's
ice cream.
Yeah, so you see, another recipe is, making an ice cream. So those are stringy there.
Funny faces.
You remove all the string.
And everybody. No, I can't
Go
do
ahead,
it. I can't do
bite.
it.
You can do it.
Nope.
Yes, you have. You
Come on,
can
Ray.
have teeth.
Very yummy, Ray.
Mas lami ang naka-healthy box. Mas tamis nila ha.
Oh yeah?
Kay kani kay ang variety
Oh,
ni
really?
ano
Without
man.
cooking.
Sour.
Sour. Well, like is it sour like a grapefruit?
For eating.
Poop out.
Okay, that's how you open it.
What's it sour like?
There, the seeds. You pop it out. And then, you put it there, save it. So you can cook it.
I will have.
Where's the small one?
Oh, here.
Isa, start doing this, huh?
Thank you.
Can I try half of
It's not very sweet because this variety is for cooking.
That's an organic lawn, you know?
Why?
That's very organic.
But it's good for you, Don, because
It's
the bricks
natural
of
sugar.
the one is not too sweet.
Alrighty. So, same process.
Ano to pa?
Remove the seeds.
Buya ba no? Ito pa? Pwede pa mong paghinog.
Di pa.
Atis o kuan.
Okay. Same process. Okay. What do you see in a backyard in the Philippines? Let's see. There is a plant. It looks like a tree. Oh, look at that. It's a jackfruit. Wow, that's a big one. That's the one and only in the tree. Now this is the big one. That's probably like 18 inches long. It looks like 18 inches long. Looks very yummy.
It will be very
Yeah, I love jackfruit. Yes, look at that. The one and only in the tree right now. There you go. Yeah, looks delicious. So here it is. And this is the tree. That's a jackfruit tree. There you go.